is a generation 15 system, currently running at 10.93 volts and 22 amps. Increasing the voltage, increasing the up to 12 volts. The gas production is exceptionally high. System's ideal for engines over 8 litre capacity. Right now it's running at 26 amps. Very efficient system. I can be contacted on 040-317-7183. This is the Generation 15 system, ideal for engines up to 8 litre capacity. This is the 24th of December 2019. I hope you're having a Merry Christmas ahead and don't get too intoxicated. Speak to you soon. Have a good day. I can be contacted on 040-317-7183 or my email glnox@dodo.com.au or glnox11@live.com or at my webpage www.hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au. Goodbye.